Before you blame the algorithm, fix these 3 ranking killers. Do this today and watch clicks turn into customers. Targeting the wrong keywords, weak on-page signals, not enough authority. Solve these things and you'll stop being invisible. Let's start with keywords. Broad terms look impressive, but they waste your time. A single word like plumber or groomer is vague and brutally competitive. Buyers do not search like that when they're ready to act. They type specific phrases with intent. Think emergency plumber in Miami or mobile dog groomer in Pasadena. That extra detail changes everything because it aligns with how people actually shop. Open Google and type your service in your city. Look at the people also ask box and the related searches at the bottom. Those lines are questions your future customers are already asking. Build pages and sections that answer those questions with real examples, pricing ranges, and next steps. You're not chasing vanity traffic. You're matching intent. Now, your on-page signals. Google reads your title tag, your H1, the first paragraph, your subheadings, image alt text, internal links, and any schema markup. If the title is cute and the H1 is a slogan, Google has to guess. Make it simple. Put your primary keyword and location in the title tag and the H1. Use the first 2 sentences to say exactly what the page covers and who it's for. Add a short section that answers one common question in a tight paragraph. Format it cleanly so it can win a snippet. Add an FAQ block with 3 to 5 questions that your customers actually say out loud. Link to related pages using descriptive anchor text so Google can follow the logic of your site. Show real photos, include trust elements like reviews and guarantees, and make the call to action obvious on mobile. Now, authority. You can publish the best guide in the world and still stall without third-party proof. Authority means citations that match, reviews that mention your service and your city, and a few relevant backlinks that can vouch for you. Start with consistency. Make sure your business name, address, and local phone number matches exactly across your site, your Google business profile, and major directories. Ask every satisfied customer for a review and encourage natural details about the service and the location. Create one helpful resource and share it with partners or local blogs. That could be a checklist, a city pricing guide, or a comparison that your audience needs. A handful of honest mentions from relevant sites moves you forward. Here are your quick wins for this week. Rewrite title pages and H1 so that they include the service and the city. Expand thin pages with a clear intro, one comparison, one mini case study, and an FAQ. Add 2 internal links from pages that already get traffic. Secure 3 clean citations and request 1 backlink from a partner who already knows you. Ask for 2 reviews and reply to all reviews using natural language. Request indexing in Search Console after you update a page so Google comes back quickly. And I'm serious about this. This is not theory. This is the path. Better intent, clear on-page signals, real authority. When you stack those pieces, rankings rise and leads follow. If you want to stop guessing, I built a complete checklist that covers every ranking factor across on-page, off-page, technical, and local. It's free and ready for you. Grab it from the link in my bio.